Hey there, fantastic folks. Buckle up for a mind-blowing ride as I unveil the secret to turbocharging your Cash App, all without the fuss of hooking up your debit card. Brace yourselves, because I'm about to lay down not one, not two, but three electrifying options that'll leave you astounded. Picture this: you're at the pinnacle of your screen, a few taps away from revolutionizing the way you add cash. Slam that profile icon on the upper right and dive into the thrill of linked banks. But wait, there's more. Say goodbye to debit cards and take the fast lane to your bank with a simple tap on Link a Bank. Hold on, there's another twist. Embark on a mesmerizing journey of linking your bank account, bypassing the maze of debit cards. Or venture south to the enigmatic card icon nestled at the bottom left. Behold the legend of the Cash Card. It's not just free, it's your golden ticket to awesomeness. Command this card to your doorstep, and like a wizard, you can enchant it with cash at any Walgreens or CVS checkout. But here's the kicker: no more chains to your debit card. This Cash Card moonlights as a superhero, a debit card you can recharge with cash at will. Yeah, you heard right, absolutely free. Dive into the frenzy, tap into the magic with Get Free Cash Card. Customize it, because style is your forte. And with a triumphant click on Order Card, you're in control. Now, if the above didn't blow your mind, here's a parting gem. Imagine a world where friends send you cash through the app, and you pay them back old school style with real, tangible currency. A $50 bill for a $50 digital treasured. Oh, there you have it, folks. The ultimate key to unlocking cash without the debit card shackles. Share the love, toss a thumbs up if this roller coaster blew your mind. And with that, we wrap up this whirlwind of wisdom. Stay stoked and see you on the other side. Rocket Glowing Star.